What's up, everybody? Hope everybody doing good. You already know Mulwela, aka Breezy the Hero. So, as y'all know it, today it's Friday. Later on, around 3:30, it's NFP. Hence, y'all know NFP measures employment and the change of the economy, whether consumers and all that. But overall, I just want to dive deep into GBP USD, gold, and also US30. I guess also the DXY. So this is just gonna be a short video. It's nothing much. So let's jump to the H4 so y'all can see properly. So this was last week's move, and then let me use my arrow. Uh, Hence y'all can see that this week this is what happened, right? Last week we closed under, but we broke our support and we rejected. And then when the week started, eventually price did manage to have some strength and push back to the upside. Hence, you all see that we had that impulse, we had that retest, and price did break our trend, right? After breaking that trend, hence you all see that I say you should trade the market for what they are. Look what happened. We had that retest before price continuing its current move, whereby I'm still seeing price pushing up to this resistance up here, and hence y'all can see that it's that previous touch, right? So so I'm still seeing price pushing to this resistance up here before price is gonna drop to the downside. And I think around 3:30 when NFP is active or when is the news release, I really believe that GBP USD is gonna drop drastically and the dollar is gonna push to the upside, which it's gonna help the US 30 also push. Hence, you all remember that US 30, it's 30 big companies in the US, whether tech, whether clothing brand, whether a beverage, whether a clothes, anything, as long as it's that big 30, I guess. And then jumping to US 30, guys, I just want to move to the H1. And I'm sorry if I'm being quick, I just want to get through this video and get my day started. So hence y'all can see US 30 for the past few hours, we have been consolidating, nothing but consolidating. And trust me, you do not want to be in a consolidation move, right? So looking at US 30, if I could drag my support slash resistance, we can already see that price has closed under that. Hence y'all can see that we did reach that new high. Let me move this. Hence y'all can see that we did create that first high, which was that all-time high, right? Hence y'all can see price created that all-time high. Hence y'all can see price created that all-time high, and then we just consolidated, created that new all-time high, we dropped, and price just came back to retest that all-time high, whereby it's that resistance, right? So let me do this so y'all can see properly. Hence y'all can see this is what I'm talking about. And remember, guys, I don't create my own zones, I don't create my own scenarios, I trade the market for what it is, right? Hence y'all can see price eventually did reject that resistance, and what happened, we dropped, and now we're retesting and rejecting this support too. So US 30 for the moment, hence New York session is not active yet, right? We might see a little drop from it, or probably we might just consolidate throughout the day, but we might just see just a drastic drop and then that push during NFP. So US 30, I'm really confident that we're gonna have a buy on US 30. So in this case, our stop loss would be just under our support. That by we're risking probably 0.30%, and our reward is close to 2.07%. So that way, even though I get stopped out or even though I take profit, my profit that I made, I can sustain 2 losses or 3 losses in a row with just one profit. So that's what we mean when saying your risk to reward should make sense. That way you should approach the market using proper risk management, right? You shouldn't just take trades because you are bored. No, that is not done. So moving to the DXY, which is the dollar index. And guys, if y'all are looking for a good broker to trade with, that moves properly, that trades properly, that has proper spreads, everything, I recommend Xness. Go to my YouTube channel, go to the link below. I'm saying go to the link. My apologies. The description, and you will see a link of Xness. Go there, click it, and trade and make your money. And remember, fast withdrawals. So that's what I like about them, and their security is top notch. So moving forward, looking at gold, y'all can see what it is with gold. Gold has been playing lately. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Gold has been playing lately. Hence, y'all can see on the 4-hour time frame. First thing is first, guys. Hence, I always say trade the markets for what they are. Look what happened. We had an impulse, created resistance the moment we rejected, right? Created resistance, we rejected. We had a second touch, rejection. We had that third touch, rejection. We dropped. Already we created the type of a head and shoulder. Hence y'all can see shoulder, shoulder, and that head. And again, we had that impulse again to the upside. What happened? We rejected again. So y'all can see that you shouldn't complicate things. Trade the market for what they are, but I do not mean that you should just wake up and say, today I'm trading. If you are a beginner, you shouldn't just rush into trading, because trust me, the market will humble you. You have to know what you're doing. Practice, invest in yourself. Buy that book, buy that trading course. As long as it's legit, as long as it's gonna produce some outcome that is beneficial, I absolutely agree. Go do it. So looking at the dollar too, I'm really seeing price. Let me move back to the 1-hour time frame. Looking at the dollar, right? This might sound crazy, but I'm still seeing the dollar still dropping, probably before or after NFP. I still see the dollar probably touching this support, or might probably touch there, but I still see the dollar reaching there. And probably we might impulse probably during NFP, or probably then coming week. And trust me, if you see the dollar index starting pushing to the upside, just know that GBP USD will be dropping drastically. Trust me. So again, you have to know what works for you and what doesn't work for you. But if you are a beginner to the market, I would recommend you try out indexes. Why? They respect your zones, all that. And again, excellence, guys. So yeah, that's it for today. Mloela Breezy the Hero signing out. Hope y'all guys learn, back test, practice, and remember, practice makes perfect. 100 million, we coming to get it. Yes, sir.